rider number 707. Dagan Madden pushes out to the lead. Number 14J holds down 3rd place. Brady Battle. Looking for the main event win, 85, 12-15 class, number 143, moves into the 2nd position. Want to give a big shout out to my girl, number 199, Emily Jensen. Always making bars with the boys out here. Always in the mix. On that purple and green. Taking number 707, Red Gas, the current leader, with a little bit of breathing room. Kind of pulling away a little bit. Not too far behind him, a pack of 3. You've got the number 143, you've got the number 181, and the number 14J. All in the mix. Oh, we got a pass for 1st place. The number 143. I believe it's Easton from Hurricane, Utah on the Kawasaki. Easton, number 143, makes the pass. Doubles into the sand. We'll see who comes out through the sand into the arena over the finish line jump. They're in some heavy traffic. The number 143 Easton from Hurricane, Utah gets a white flag. Dagan looks like he got up in a little bit of traffic, goes to the outside, turns around trying to make up some time. He's got about a half a lap to get it done. Lots of traffic, number 143, Easton, on the Kawasaki 85. Bobbing and weaving time. The white flag is out, it's all going to come to whoever comes across that finish line first. It looks like it will be the number 143 on the green. Kawasaki KX85 all the way from Hurricane, Utah. Makes some noise for Easton. 2nd place with some really good charges. He wanted it bad. The number 707 on the red gas. Dagan Radden from Urda, Utah. Open to any 50 rider, any level, any age. They could be anywhere from 4 to 8 years old. They could be on the senior bikes, they could be on the junior bikes.